The true pursuit for every grower is the character of the flower, the terps, the smell, and the taste, not just the yield or the THC numbers. Yet every grower has watched this character disappear. Is the protection you're using actually sabotaging your harvest? What if the spray meant to protect your plant is the very thing destroying everything you love about it? Because trichomes are the fragile chemical factory, not just decoration. They produce the terpenes and cannabinoids. However, every common spray on the market is built to damage this production core. The anatomy of destruction shows how common sprays compromise the trichomes. Neem oil dissolves them, sulfur burns them, and essential oils, as fat-soluble solvents, dissolve them on contact. Growers face an impossible paradox. Pathogen pressure is highest, but the industry standard says to stop spraying. Following guidelines risks losing the harvest, while protecting the plant risks destroying the profile. There needs to be a third option. Existing late flower defenses have significant trade-offs regarding trichome safety and late flower usability. A third option is needed that offers high pathogen efficacy, trichome safety, and safe late flower usability. The paradox is broken with Grower's Choice Plant Guard. It offers complete pathogen efficacy, zero trichome degradation, and is safe for use through late flower. This is the definitive third option.
Protect the plant and preserve the profile with organic protection from seed to harvest. Never compromise the factory again. Shop at growerschoiceplantguard.com.